If you're trying to switch to an eSIM and don't want to mess things up, stick around. I'll walk you through how to activate an eSIM on your iPhone step by step. Whether you're transferring from another phone or setting it up from scratch, this guide will cover it all. Watch till the end so you don't miss a key step. Let's get started. First, open your Settings app and make sure your iPhone model supports eSIM. If you're using an iPhone XR, XS, or anything newer, like the iPhone 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, or 16, then you're good to go. Now, let's connect to a Wi-Fi network. Go to Wi-Fi in your settings and make sure you're connected. eSIM activation won't work properly without Wi-Fi, especially during the setup. Next, go back and scroll down to Cellular. If you already have a line active, you'll see it listed there. Scroll down a bit and tap on Add eSIM. On some iPhones, this might show up as Set up Cellular Plan. Either works. Now here's where you'll see a few different options. If you're transferring an eSIM from an old iPhone, tap Transfer from Nearby iPhone. Just make sure your old iPhone is unlocked and close by. Your new iPhone will detect it and move the eSIM over automatically. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button now so you don't miss future tech tips like this. Now, if you're setting it up for the first time and don't have an old phone, choose Use QR code. Point your iPhone camera at the QR code provided by your mobile carrier. If you don't have a QR code and instead received manual setup info, tap Enter Details manually. Enter the SMDP Plus address and activation code given by your carrier, usually a long code of letters and numbers. Then tap Next to complete the setup. Once everything is entered correctly, your phone will automatically connect to your carrier and activate your new eSIM line. After activation, you'll see the new line listed under Cellular, with options like Wi-Fi calling, carrier services, and even setting a SIM pin if needed. Make sure the Turn this line on switch is enabled. You're all set. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.